Hi, I'm Milton Rendell and welcome to Real News Friday. It's all happening. Catalyst is opening this week. Bunnings is progressing beautifully. 22,000 square metres of shop. That's amazing in itself. Biggest in West Australia. It's certainly progressing well along Clayton Street. Drive along, have a look, see how we're going. Even heard the Midland and District Historic Society are now running the meetings out of the old courthouse, so congratulations to the guys there. Good location for those guys and I think very appropriate. On the real estate side, guys, sales up 19% in West Australia, up to 834 sales for the last week. House sales were up 14%, units were up 39%. Land was up 36%, so quite a movement in the market. Stock levels 10,807, fairly stable. There has been more land coming to the market, which has obviously been gobbled up, and certainly probably a few projects have been finished as well. Rentals still very interesting there. The amount of rentals numbers are continuing to drop down to 3,314, down another 1%, 11% down on what it was 4 weeks ago and 51% down on what it was 12 months ago. So it would appear, and I've got to be careful how I say this, it would appear that our economy is recovering at a different rate to probably parts of Australia and is reflecting through the real estate. I don't want to say too much, and I've been very cautious probably in my outlook, but I'm hearing plenty happening. I was chatting to an agency in Bunbury last night, and their sales volumes to what they normally would do this time of year are up nearly 100%. So if it's kicking off in Bunbury, imagine what it's doing around here. So things are happening, and despite all the doom and gloom that's being said in other sectors, we're certainly seeing an improvement. Obviously builders have got a fair bit happening, but I'm hearing more and more people getting new jobs, or getting more hours, etc. And I'm assuming you're hearing the same thing. So it does look like as we flow into the latter part of 2020, we are seeing some improvement. We certainly are from a real estate point of view. We're seeing, once again, multiple offers coming on properties, and I've mentioned that before, where also this week had 2 properties under offer within minutes, basically, of listing to the buyer build-up in their database. So if you are thinking about selling, it's certainly, there's plenty of activity, and the probability of a sale is there, and also a probability of improved pricing as well. So to you all, thanks very much for viewing, and look forward to speaking to you again next week. In the meantime, check out realestateplus.com.au.